बर्मिंघम में मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी की अमवात ज्यादा होने के बायस रजिस्ट्रेशन और तदफीन के अमल की सुस्त रवि पर लेबर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लैम्बर्ट ने नोटिस लेते हुए मुतल्लिका अथॉरिटी को कम्युनिटी के मसाइल के हल की तरफ तवज्जो दिलाई और मुश्किल वक्त में अशियाए खुरनोश की कीमतें बढ़ाने वालों के खिलाफ भी एक्शन लेने का फैसला किया। गुज़िश्ता रोज 92 न्यूज के नुमाइंदे आबिद काजमी से गुफ्तगू करते हुए इस सिलसिले में उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
As we go through this crisis, it's really important that we work through together the big issues that come up. So making sure that we're all reporting the price hikes that are going up is really important. We're working together as members of parliament to stop the profiteering and stop the rip-offs where people are putting up prices in a way that is simply unfair. We'll be looking to strengthen the law as well to create new laws on price hiking. But the second thing we've got to do is make sure that at the end of life we've got services that are in place that are good. So we've been talking today in Birmingham to make sure that we've got more registrars coming in to the city so that we can really make sure there's no delay in the registration process. Tragically, we are losing lives now at a greater pace than we have all year. We've also got a lot of staff who are off sick at the City Council, but we're determined to make sure the service remains world class, and so I'm pleased that we'll be able to get extra staff there in place, making sure the process is as compassionate and as fast as it can possibly be.